Good evening all, MacPlugs here, aka Ian. I am back in Glasgow, back in a hotel in Glasgow, and yeah, I've been non-stop the last couple of months if you've been watching my videos, as you can see. But I am back in Glasgow in a new hotel, kind of a new hotel, technically a new hotel. And tonight I'm staying at the Leonardo Hotel in Glasgow, which is the former Jury's Inn. So I done a video a long time ago on the Jury's Inn in Glasgow. It is now Leonardo's, and I'm going to show you this room. So tonight I'm staying at, an executive room, which we'll have a look around in a moment. I'm still very tired. It's just been non-stop. I've been on the go the last couple of weeks, like I just said, but it's been great. I've been loving every week, every video. Hopefully you've enjoyed, and yeah, it's been non-stop. It's been very surreal. Recently, I'm also going to do something tomorrow, so I'm travelling down. I'm not going to say where because I don't want to give it away. I'll be travelling down to England somewhere tomorrow. This is why I'm staying in this room tonight. So anyway, let's have a look around in this room. An amazing view. Wait till you have a look at the view that I have. But yeah, let's start at the front door. As always, like I always have, starting at the front door, I'll actually open up and you can see I'm staying at or in an executive room, and straight away you can see it's not large, like space wise. As soon as you walk in, it sounds daft me saying as soon as you walk in you're in the room, but there's no like long hall, you're straight in, table, chair, and then TV and mirror. I'll give you an overview just now of the room itself. So I can tell, and maybe you can tell in the video, that it is newly refurbished, so everything is new, and you can tell that it's still got that newness to it. I like the decor, I like the feel, nice and calm, relaxing. The colour scheme. So I haven't really had a look around myself, this is kind of like the first time I'm having a look. So a sneaky socket down there, old school phone. That's definitely not been changed, but that's an old school phone. USB and normal charging point. Turn the lights off. Oh, there you go, turn that light off there. The headboard. You can turn the light off. There's no other lighting in the main room area apart from this and the lamps, the bedside lamps. So first impression for me, it's clean, it's new, it's really nice. Yeah, it is spacious, even though I said as soon as you walk in, but it's just well proportioned. I like this, I like the chair. I like that. Very snazzy. TV as well, like I mentioned. Charging, so you've got, I think it's a C port, type C, USB, and two plug-in sockets. Lots of information. What's this, postcodes as well? Oh, we've got a look at this. Postcodes at Leonardo Hotel. Look at that, that's a great, what's this? I think that's a feedback form. There you go, a postcard, that's good. There's a hotel directory if you want to scan and have a look at the guest portal. You can scan the QR code for more information on that. So yeah, we'll have a look at the menu in a moment and everything that's in here, but let's take an overview. It's doing something a little bit different. Just doing an overview of the whole room. I really do like this shower room. It is very nice. I just like everything about it. I like the shower, the tiles. The shower is massive, it's huge. The tiles, the mirror, the sink, really, really nice, and you get quite a lot here going on, so I'll show you that in a moment. Look at all this. But you've got hand wash and body lotion on 0%, I'm guessing, the brand. It's needing a little bit clean though. I mean, there is seeing some hairs, which I don't like. Do not like that. It's not good. Don't know what that is. Take care. Oh, what is that? What's this here? Shower cap. Shower cap. Don't tell me another shower cap. Take care. I'm guessing that's like some sort of like maybe like toothpicks and stuff. I'm not sure. Is this toothbrush? I'm guessing 2 toothbrushes. Not bad. Shaving, charging points. Just look at that mirror. That mirror is really nice. Oh, there's me. On this side as well, got the toilet area with the pictures. And inside you've got shower gel and shampoo and a nice shower. So yeah, I'm not liking the hairs, so I'm not going to show you that because it's not great for that. But this is really nice, the pictures, the theming, all that stuff. Right. Ta-da! Hey, look at the small little espresso cups. So you've got the cups there, an espresso machine. The capsules. Over here you actually do have USB point as well, and a C point or port, along with a normal charging power outlet. And here there's a lot of choices. Look at these. I'll just keep them out for me. Snacks for later. So it should be all your normal stuff. So your teas, herbal teas, coffees, plenty of milk and sugars, 2 mugs, kettle, tucked away in the drawer. Here you've got a fridge. I always open the fridge on the wrong side. Surely that's not complimentary. Kit Kats. So I've got water, Pepsi Max, Kit Kats. Is that free? Yes, I am bent over because the fridge is so low. Oh, I nearly dropped the fridge. There you go. I did not know that was there because I didn't check anything before I started the video. I wanted it to be a surprise for all of us. There you go. I didn't know that was there. That's cool. Yeah. Ironing board, towel, safe, storage area, hanging area. Same day dry cleaning service. Just price. Is that moving itself? I didn't even touch it. There's some prices if you wish to pause the video. You can have a look. Hairdryer as well, nearly missed the hairdryer. And so we'll have a look at that view in a moment. On a cliffhanger, I'm leaving you on a cliffhanger to have a look at the view. Let's have a look at the menu. So they do have room service, which starts at 12 and finishes at 9:30. Items with a 24 symbol are available 24 hours a day. So again, I'm just going to scan briefly and you can pause if you wish. So that's the room service, and then you've got all this food. So again, I am just going to Scan. So it's actually prices. It doesn't look that. Pizza. I always look at the pizza prices. 24 hours. Oh, margarita pizza. £15 though, which isn't too bad. It depends on the size, right enough. Yeah. Burgers and whatnot. Cheesecake 24/7. Oh, right, I'm going to put this away before I start. I'm going to phone room service. Yeah, that's where we are. There's the heating control. You've got the charging point on that side as well, so you've got the USB and socket there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's look at the view. I'm going to try and put this light off. There we go. Just because you get a better view with the light off. Look at that. Right at the Clyde, and also at the train station. Now the sound is getting blocked out so far. I kind of heard the train going by, but I'm going to see if a train goes by just now and you can have a look at that. I'm literally, I don't know if you can see, there is, oh, there's a train there as well. Good timing, look at that. That is leaving Glasgow Central. Such a good view, look. Wow. I'll post some more pictures on my social media of the view if you want to follow me on social media. It's Mac Blogs, yeah, everything's down below in the description box. But that's it. That's really everything that you need to know and see of this room, I think. Hopefully I haven't missed anything. What is that noise? Can you hear that? What is going on? Is that the aircon or something? That's weird. I'm not going to sleep in here if that's going to be going on and off all night. Strange. And stop. I don't know what that is. Anyway, I'm going to walk away from it so I can't really hear the annoying sound. That is really annoying. I don't know if it's going to pick up how loud that actually is on the camera. Oh! Here we go. Hopefully that doesn't come on again. I don't know what that was, or what that is. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe. I do all sorts of things, mainly travel, adventure, theme parks, that kind of thing. And yeah, tomorrow I am back on an adventure again, and I will bring you that as well. I nearly said what it was, but I'm not going to say what it is. You just need to hit subscribe, and I will bring that video to my channel soon. So anyway, I hope you're all well. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for your messages and following me on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. So I will see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.